To set up Hotspot on a Google Pixel phone, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter network and internet, and then we can look for the hotspot and tethering options right here. You can activate your Wi-Fi hotspot with this switch or also deactivate it. If you click on the Wi-Fi hotspot itself, you can adjust all of the settings. So here we have our hotspot name. You can change how your hotspot network will appear to others in the Wi-Fi list. So choose whichever name you like. You can click on this QR code, which will allow other devices to scan this QR code and then enter or connect with your hotspot automatically. There's security options. You can choose any WPA protocol or none if you don't want to have any passwords on your hotspot. In this case, I'm gonna go for a password. And after that, we have the password right here. You can choose whichever password you like, just type it in. It needs to have at least 8 digits. Then there's option to turn off your hotspot automatically when there's no devices connected for some time. And then we can change the speed and compatibility of our network to 2.4G, which is compatible with most of the devices but offers lowest speed possible. If you select 5G, it will be less compatible, which means only newer devices that support 5G will be able to connect with your hotspot. So if there's a problem where other device cannot connect with your hotspot, I would recommend to go for 2.4G. 5G of course offers higher speed, and the same goes for 6G. It's even faster, but again, less devices will be able to connect. Then we have instant hotspot. You can click on it and then set up a hotspot across your other devices. So if you have your Google account and there's that Google account connected with other phone, it will be able to connect with your hotspot without entering any password and etc. So it will be much easier to connect. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.